Welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving into the thrilling return of an icon, the 2026 Porsche 918 Spyder. After more than a decade since its original debut, Porsche has revived the 918 Spyder with futuristic upgrades, stunning design, language and hybrid performance that pushes boundaries once again. This isn't just a reintroduction, it's a rebirth. And what Porsche has delivered with the 2026 model has shocked the hypercar world, starting with its appearance. The new 918 Spyder embraces the familiar DNA of the original but dials everything up to 11. The low-slung silhouette, wide aggressive stance, and signature rear wing are all there, but now integrated with sleeker, sharper aerodynamic elements. Porsche has enhanced the carbon fiber body for even greater weight reduction and stiffness. The adaptive aero system now features intelligent flaps and vents that adjust in real time, optimizing downforce and airflow depending on speed and driving mode. The LED matrix headlights are slimmer and more angular, blending seamlessly into the sculpted front end, while the rear features a full-width old taillight bar with dynamic lighting effects. The dual top-exit exhaust pipes have been retained, but now sit within a more aggressive carbon rear diffuser. Every angle screams performance, precision, and Porsche perfection. Inside, the 2026 918 Spyder offers a cockpit that mixes luxury with motorsport inspiration. Step into the cabin and you're greeted by a minimalist, race-ready environment. There's carbon fiber almost everywhere across the dashboard, center console, and doors paired with Alcantara and fine leather accents. The seats are lightweight bucket style with deep bolstering, offering both comfort and intense support for spirited driving. Porsche's latest curved digital instrument cluster dominates the driver's view, offering customizable layouts and real-time telemetry data. A central 11-inch infotainment screen provides access to media, navigation, and hybrid performance modes, while a secondary display on the passenger side allows co-pilots to monitor lap times and energy usage. Ambient lighting, wireless smartphone integration, and a premium Burmester audio system add luxury touches. But make no mistake, the interior is built for speed. Under the hood, or rather, under the skin, the new 918 Spyder has evolved into an even more fearsome machine. It still uses a hybrid powertrain, but now with cutting-edge technology that combines raw combustion power with electric precision. At its heart is a naturally aspirated 4.6-liter V8 engine derived from Porsche's Motorsport division, now producing over 700 horsepower on its own. Complementing that are dual electric motors, one on each axle, bringing total combined output to a staggering 1,200 horsepower. This setup allows for torque vectoring, instant throttle response, and all-wheel drive capabilities. The result? A 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 1.8 seconds and a top speed exceeding 225 miles per hour. The acceleration is brutal, seamless, and electrifying literally. The battery system has been completely revamped. A next-generation solid-state lithium pack offers a 50-mile all-electric range, making the 918 surprisingly efficient when needed. The car can operate in full AV mode, hybrid mode, or performance mode, where both systems unleash their fury together. Regenerative braking has been refined for smoother transitions, and the charging time has been cut significantly, just 15 minutes to 80% using Porsche's 800-volt fast charging infrastructure. On the track, the 918 Spyder is more composed than ever thanks to rear-wheel steering, active suspension, and Porsche's dynamic chassis control system, which constantly analyzes and adjusts handling characteristics in real time. Now let's talk about price. As expected, this level of engineering and exclusivity doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Porsche 918 Spyder starts at approximately $1.5 million, with limited production numbers rumored to be under 1,000 units globally. Customization options through Porsche's exclusive manufacturer program will easily push that price beyond $2 million for collectors wanting a truly unique build. But for those who can afford it, what they're getting is not just a car, it's a piece of automotive history reborn in summary. The 2026 Porsche 918 Spyder isn't just a comeback, it's a revolution. Porsche has managed to retain everything that made the original so groundbreaking while integrating the latest in hybrid technology, materials science, and design. Whether you're admiring it in a showroom or hearing it scream down a racetrack, the new 918 Spyder is pure mechanical poetry. Let us know what you think. Has Porsche built the perfect hybrid hypercar? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping car reviews.